In the lost and found. Okay. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and over here, once again, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadom Boozhoo Inimushain. Say hello to the people.
Boozhoo, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikadon Boozhoo Niji. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. And yeah, welcome to the live stream Ojibwe language podcast, where Jessica Wabooz is the first in line. Gold star for good old Jessica Wabooz.
Hey, Mino Gigashabe, Jessica, gold star.
And Daniel Black. Oh, sorry, Daniel. Daniel wants a gold star, but he only gets a silver star.
Yep, sorry, Daniel. Silver star for Daniel.
Yep. You know, second is almost, I guess, second place is first loser. I don't know. Just he says, nope, get back in line, Dan. Yeah, Jessica's not taking that. How you guys doing? Good morning. Mino Giga Shabe. Welcome back to the show where, boom, Neo Gija Good. Neo, is that right? Neo Gija Good? Nijo. Neo is fourth day. All right, this is wrong. But today is Tuesday. Nijo Gijagad, the second day. Because you see, back in the days of the grandfathers, they called this the second day.
Yeah, they sure did.
How you doing, sweetie?
Not too bad. Got a typo on the thing.
Yeah. So, it's cooled off a little bit.
I know, thank goodness. What is it now?
It's like 68 or whatever. I think it was hot and muggy yesterday. But today, hey, you know what today is?
What's that? Oh, you know what? I know what it is.
What?
Dig, if you will, a picture
of you and I engaged in a kiss. Dig, if you will, this picture. Tuesdays are Dig, if you will, a picture day. And it is the day where we talk about art and pictures, basically. So today's Ojibwe word of the day. No, wait. Mazinibi Ige Winini is an artist. A person who makes pictures. But Jejubi Ige Winini. Jejubi Ige is a paint or a painting. And a painting man would be a Jubi Ige Winini. You got your artist and your painter. So, dig, if you will, this picture. This is one of the most famous works of art in the world. Boom. Starry Night. Oh, what a great painting. Isn't this the most beautiful thing you've ever seen?
You know how I feel about Van Gogh.
Yeah. Same way I do. Okay, yes. You can make a claim that I just don't understand Impressionist art. Maybe I'm not sophisticated enough to number one, go to Obama's party.
Yeah, they said everybody there was sophisticated enough to get vaccinated or whatever.
Yeah, but but to my eye, just a dummy off the street who likes to look at pictures, this looks kind of crappy when you compare it to Michelangelo. All right, Dig, if you will, this picture. You got Michelangelo, an artist, Mizinabi Ige Winini, or Van Gogh, a mental patient. Van Gogh, Michelangelo. Van Gogh, Michelangelo. All right? That's all I'm saying.
I really love Michelangelo.
Yeah, huh? Just the most, I don't even know what this is. I can't even talk about it. I think it's in the Sistine Chapel, you know, when he painted the ceiling. Just a little clip, just a little random piece of Michelangelo's genius. And it's the most beautiful face you can think of. There's a whole story behind this. The eyes alone, it just piques your interest. It's breathtaking because he was a painter. This is Vincent van Gogh. He called this Starry Night because he was a mental patient. You know, he smeared paint with his thumb, I guess, on a canvas.
You think that's how he did it?
Yeah. And he was pretty lazy. You know, you can see he just kind of drew black lines. Oh, these are the mountains, I guess. And what is that, a tree? Or was it a flame that he added blue to the yellow? I bet you it was supposed to be flame, but he already put so much blue in the background, it turned green. And he was like, oh, the heck with it. And I guess the reason why I get so preoccupied with this, I mean, nobody cares about Van Gogh anymore, I guess. But we're living in a time when people can't tell the truth. They can't say what's good, true, and beautiful. Because we're told in schools, this is good and true and beautiful. It's like, no, it's not. You ask any kid or any person on the street if they didn't know this was a famous, celebrity painter, they go, oh no, that's a little kid do that or something. Nobody would go, oh, how cool. What a cool idea to make the stars swirly, kind of like water or something. Oh man, he must have been a genius. It's like, no, this doesn't even show any technical skill. But because they just kind of roll out art in art history, they go, oh, yeah. Well, there was Michelangelo, he was a painter, and then just like him, there was Van Gogh. And you go, what? So, in conclusion, dig, if you will, this picture. Now, Prince, he could paint as well as Bob Ross. Not a lot of people know this. Everyone's like, oh, what a great singer. Well, he was a good painter, too. You look at this. That's a mountainscape with beautiful, whatever. It doesn't have to be a person to be a beautiful picture. But Prince understood the beauty of the landscape. Compare this painting. Nobody even knows or cares about Prince's painting of this mountain. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Oh, what does this have to do with Ojibwe language? Well, you know what? Sometimes you just got to talk about the truth. So here's Prince, and he painted this mountainscape, Now, Prince was from Minnesota, so he didn't really have this he wasn't looking at this. This was out of his imagination. But he painted it on a lake with trees and whatever. Prince understood beauty. But nobody cared about his paintings because we were told that this is a better painting than what Prince could do. No, I don't think so. You keep Vincent van Gogh. I like Prince.
Yeah, me too.
That's all I'm saying. Dig, if you will, mustn't be gay when he is artist. Should you be gay when he is painter? Huh, sweetie?
That's right. You tell him, honey.
Yeah. Getting all classy like. What else we got going on here?
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You got a call.
Oh, okay. What line?
Line 2.
Okay. Caller, welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language, culture, and the arts. You're on the air. Um,
Hee hee hee. Hey man, it's me, Michael Jackson.
oh, hey there, Michael Jackson. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. You know, I just wanted to call in. I didn't know Prince was a painter.
Yep. I mean, you saw the picture, right?
Yeah, you know. I mean, he was my rival. Sometimes I didn't know if who was the best, me or Prince.
Yeah. He had less scandal than you. I got to give him points for that.
No, that's ignorant. That's ignorant. Allegedly. Allegedly.
Yeah, okay. So what can I do for you today, King of Pop?
Oh, you know, I'm an artist. I'm a Mazinabi gay Winnie. You know, and Prince, he was the artist formerly known as Prince. He was formerly known as Mazinabi gay Winnie. Hee hee.
Yeah, I guess that's a good point. But you consider yourself an artist too? Did you paint?
Well, I did some drawings, but I was an artist because I sang and I danced.
Yeah. Does that count?
Yeah, that's art too. It's music. Music is art.
Yeah, I guess that's a type of art. I mean, it's not a tool. It's a form of expression. So yeah, for sure it's art. Yeah, you're an artist too. Um, why did you want, if you don't mind me asking, why did you want us to call you a king? A king of pop?
Well, you know, Elvis Presley was the king of rock and roll. Hee hee! And I wanted to be the king of pop, like the king of pop music.
Yeah, isn't that ironic that pop, in Minnesota we call soda pop, Coca-Cola or Pepsi.
Don't even say Pepsi. I got post-traumatic stress.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting at. So you, the king of pop, do a pop commercial for Pepsi. And it's that commercial where your wig gets on fire, and then I don't know. Apparently, it burns you.
Allegedly. That's ignorant. Allegedly.
Well, I mean, I think that was your story, right?
Oh, yeah, it did. It burned my face. And oh, I was so scarred. I had to get plastic surgery.
Yeah. Is that when you started mutilating your face?
Well, I'd already had a nose job by then. And I was already, I think that's when I put my chin in. Remember that when I got my dimple in my chin?
Yeah. Yeah, it was a good dimple. Yep. I don't know. You took a lot of flack from people for the plastic surgery.
I know, they were ignorant. I just wanted to say useful. Because I never had a childhood. I wasn't able to be a child.
Yeah. And, I mean, you were doing a thing on stage, far away from people with lights and, I never thought you looked that weird. I gotta, if I'm being completely honest.
What do you mean?
Well, you know how, like, everybody teased you for, like, getting a nose job and bleaching your skin and wearing eye makeup and stuff?
Allegedly.
Yeah, they allegedly called you terrible names and stuff. Each time you got a new something, I remember kind of going, oh, wow. Yeah, he's really, the look is almost complete now. He's almost gone full Pinocchio. I always felt like you were sort of regressing, like backwards, when you were going from human to puppet. And, yeah, I was all right with that.
Oh, thanks, my fans, I do it all for the fans.
Yeah, so whatever. I just think people were kind of unfair. I mean, this is what were you, like 51 or something when you died?
Allegedly.
Yeah, when you said you died, the last time we started, I don't know. I mean, I guess to be fair, what I really thought was weird about you, did you have to wear like a, what do they call those, a catheter?
Yeah, when I go to sleep, I had to take my medicines, but then I didn't want to wet the bed, so I'd wear a catheter, and then I could just pee as I sleep.
Yeah, that's weird.
No, that's ignorant. I didn't want to wet the bed, and I didn't want to wear a diaper.
Yeah, but why were you? That just seems weird. But it is a nice segue into what I want to talk about. Niba, sleep. Goshkozi is to wake up. And Bawajige is a dream. So, Michael, they said allegedly that you took a lot of drugs to fall asleep. And then you would take some to Goshkozi to wake up. And that you were just kind of a medical mess near the end.
No, that's ignorant. I took my mama's milk.
Yeah, what was that?
Oh, it was that kind of drug you give people when they have heart surgery so they don't wake up.
Yeah, whatever that was called. You got a doctor administering medications to put you asleep like you're going into surgery. Here's my question. When you were in that sort of niba, did you dream? Did you have dreams when you were under, what is his name? Dr. Connor, I forget his name now.
No, that's ignorant. When I was in my deep sleep and I had my mother's milk, then I would just pass out. I wouldn't even have a dream. I would wake up, 10, 11 hours later with oxygen and a full bag where I peed all night, because of my catheter.
Yeah, that's gross.
And then, I'd be ready to go. I'd jump on that stage and I'd be all, hee hee, shamoa. I'd be ready to dance and sing.
Yeah, okay.
I was like, Gosh Cozy, wake up. It's time to rock and roll. It's time to dance.
Yeah. So you didn't dream when you were under anesthetics, huh?
No, it's just like, have you ever had your wisdom teeth out?
Yeah, I had my wisdom teeth out once.
Yeah, it was like that. They put you under and then you don't remember anything.
Oh. That's crazy. So what do you tell people when they see you and they go, oh, wow, I thought you were dead?
I go, no, allegedly. That's ignorant. Why do you believe the TV? Allegedly.
Well, yeah, but wouldn't it be illegal to pretend you were dead?
Allegedly.
Okay. Never mind. Anything else I can do for you today, Mr. Jackson?
You can call me Michael. Hee hee. No, I just wanted to call and say Boozhoo. Want to see how you were doing. Hey, what's the Ojibwe word for Tuesday?
It's Nijo Gijagood. I wrote Neo Gijagood, but that's not right.
Well, we all make mistakes.
Yeah, we sure do, huh?
Okay, well, I'll see you later. Gigawabamin, minawa. Hee hee.
Yep, Gigawabamin Minawa, Michael Jackson.
Wow, Michael Jackson.
Yeah. Yeah, he calls in once in a while. He seems all right.
I'm kind of surprised he's as good as he is.
Yeah. I don't know how you can take as many drugs as Michael Jackson and go through that much stress, Remember he was like in a wheelchair during one of those trials, So for him to still be moving around and laughing stuff off, good for Michael, I say.
Yeah, I was mad at him for a while for lying to us, but,
Yeah. Who am I to judge? Goshkozi, wake up. Why don't you Boozhoo people, Boozhoo crew, wake up. Michael Jackson's alive, all right? You've been living in a bawajige, in a dream. Oh, yeah, you believe everything that's on TV? I don't know, man. Daniel Black's here, Jessica Wabu's, and Jim Dunn's finally here. Jim, where have you been? We had Michael Jackson on the show. Boozhoo, Jim. And who else is here? Are those guys fighting on the in the chats?
I don't know. Jessica says, maybe Van Gogh was trying to paint the firmament, but you just don't get it, and you keep dogging the poor guy.
The firmament. Oh no, there's a rabbit hole. Leave it to the waboos. Van Gogh was painting the firmament. That's the waters outside the firmament. And it's in code. Because it even looks like that sun is behind water. But the sun, I don't think, is on the other side of the firmament. But maybe those are stars behind water. Because I think the stars are behind water. No, I don't know. You might be right. Maybe I should quit dogging Van Gogh. Van Gogh. Or however you say his name.
Anyway, we have a call.
We do?
Yep.
Another one?
He's been on hold.
Oh. Caller, welcome back to the show. Or welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. You're on the air.
Hey, man, what's going on? What's up, Nanaboozhoo?
Hey, Hunter. Welcome back to the show. Did you call in because we're talking about art?
Yeah, man, I was like, Doug, you know I'm an artist too. Yeah, I like to paint. I like to paint my dreams.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
How do you say that in a Ojibwe painter? How do you say that now?
We say, Jujubi Ige Winini.
Jujubi what now?
Jujubi Ige Winini. Jujubi Ige is to paint.
Jujubi Ige.
And then Winini is like a man.
Jujubi Ige Winini. Oh, man. I done bought and seen that. Well, now what's artist? What? How do you say artist, man?
Well, we would say Mazinabi Ige Winini.
Mazinabi what now? Who?
Mazinabi Ige Winini.
Mazinabi Ige Winini. Oh man! Hey, hold on a second here. Mazinabi Ige Winini. Oh man! Artist. That's awesome, man. How you doing, brother?
I'm fine. How are you, Hunter?
I'm doing great, man. I wanted to show my painting on the show, man. Can I show my painting? Come on, I was like, dig if you will this picture. Why don't you dig if you will my picture?
I don't know, man. Kind of wanted to show art today.
My paintings are art, man. I got $250,000 this.
All right. This is the last time, though. I don't like promoting your art.
Come on, man. Show my art.
All right, so this is Hunter Biden painting. How long did this take you to do this?
Man, I painted that thing in 10 minutes, dude. Dude, it's not even a painting, man. I was just dropping drops of those idiots, man. They gave me $250,000.
Yeah. And let's see another one of yours. And then here's another one. What do you call this one?
I call that crap in the bottom of my tub.
Yeah. So Hunter Biden.
Yeah, man, I'm an artist. I'm gonna be a guy with
Yeah. And how's the war on drugs?
Man, I am losing the war on, or maybe I'm winning. I think I'm winning. I bet you I'm winning. Hold on, man. Oh yeah, I'm definitely winning. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. I gotta go.
No, wait. How do you say that when you know, man, when you're talking Indian?
You mean when I'm speaking Ojibwe?
Yeah, man. How do you say that when you say, I will see you again?
We say, Gigawabamin. Minowa. Gigawa. No. Gigawaba min Minowa. Gigawaba min. Minowa. Gigawaba min Minowa, man. Yeah, okay. I'll see you later, Hunter. I won't suffer fools. You won't suffer fool. You think Hunter's a fool? Well, he's not the sharpest pen. Sharpest pen? Yeah. He's not the sharpest pen in the box? Yeah. Apparently I'm not the sharpest pen. Anyway. So, there's a cartoon of Kiss. Mizinabi Ike Winani. Would you call Kiss artists? Well, for sure. Because they're musicians, and they're visual artists, and they're writers. Paul, are you an artist?
Yeah, I'm an artist. I'm also a painter, remember?
Oh, that's right. I have all your paintings. I didn't pull any of those up today.
You should have shared one of my paintings.
Should I pull up one of yours? Okay. Yeah, let me swap out Michelangelo for a good Paul Stanley. Here we go. There's Paul Stanley self-portrait.
Hey, it's me.
Yep, that's right.
You wanted the best. You got the best. The best darn self-portrait.
Yeah. So there you go, Paul Stanley. Got some paints. Dig, if you will, this picture. What do you think of this Paul Stanley?
I like it.
Do you?
It's interesting because I know Paul Stanley painted it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a certain novelty because, we know he painted it. But is it art? What makes something art?
It's art if an artist made it.
What makes a person an artist?
Somebody who makes art.
It's like the chicken and the egg.
Yep.
Paul Stanley. As I walk along. I mean, it's better than Hunter Biden painting. I wonder how much Paul Stanley got for this painting of himself.
I wonder. You've painted a lot of Paul Stanley paintings.
Yeah, I have. All right, let's do this. Let me get rid of Hunter Biden. Let me move this gibberish cartoon up. Dig, if you will, a picture. Who's a better artist at even painting Paul Stanley? Michael Lyons or Paul Stanley? Can you tell? Sorry, Paul.
Well, Michael Lyons has a lot more experience than I do.
Yeah, I guess. But I got to give it to Michael. Michael, you knocked it out of the park once again. Hey, thanks, man. It's a cool picture. It's a whole painting of the band. Michael Lyons did this. Can you tell with your own eyes? One of these paintings probably sold for thousands of dollars. One of these paintings, it's never sold for anything and will never sell for anything. Why? Well, this one is painted by a famous person. This one is painted by a skinny nobody. Hey! Oh, sorry. I mean, this one's painted by the rock star cartoonist. Sunny day. Anyway, dig, if you will, a picture of Paul Stanley and Paul Stanley and the band. All right. Enough of that. Where did I get rid of that? Get rid of that. And then there's just the two of us.
We can make it if we try.
If you'd like to support the show, click the link in the description. We got a GoFundMe campaign nobody cares about. Trying to raise some Junia. What? You want to support the show or not?
Don't yell at our viewers.
Oh, right. Also, my precious little darlings, we got a Patreon. And I don't know, the patron saints, the angels who walk the earth, they sign up on Patreon. And they support us with $10 or $20 a month. And then we send them a book. And there's even people who give us money on PayPal. They're like, we don't even want anything, man. Here, take some money. We love you. And guess what? I love you more. And some people just want to buy some books by the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. And so, to those guys, we say, miigwech. Click the link below. Anyway. So, who's Michael Lyons? Is he an artist? Well, after this song, you might know. This is a song. So many times. You ever try to quit something or quit somebody? Remember that movie Brokeback Mountain?
I wish I could quit you.
Yeah. How many times have we tried to break up with somebody? And we go, this is it. I'm never coming back here again. Michael, do you mind if I tell the story behind this song? Yeah, go ahead. So Michael used to have this girlfriend. He was going to break up with her. And he thought, the noble thing to do is to go do it in person. She had moved away, say nothing of that. Your girlfriend just packs up her bags and moves to another state. Doesn't even have the decency to ever break up with you or anything. That's how blue-pilled you were. Yeah, I didn't think of it like that at the time. But anyway, so he goes in to break up with this girl. But he schedules a 3-day trip. And once he gets there, he realizes, well, I can't break up with her on the first night. What if she kicks me out? This is going to be awfully awkward. Staying for 3 days with a girl I used to date, So he doesn't break up with her on the first night. And the second day, it comes and goes. He doesn't break up with her on the second day. Third day, he's got to go back to the train. And he realizes then they're late and there's all this whatever. And he jumps on the train. And he goes, doggone it, I came all this way and I never broke up with her. I don't know what's going to happen. All I know for sure is I'm never coming back here again. Is that pretty much how that worked? Yeah, you said that well. This is never coming back here again. And up next, the lovely and the talented Natasha.
Okay.
Miigwech Bezendawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Whoops.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. So it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, oh. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again.
Never coming back here again. Okay, hey, Boozhoo! How you doing? Natasha, cause. Like I need to tell you. Like I need to tell yous, you lot. Mr. B. Gay Winnie is an artist. Boozhoo B. Gay Winnie is a painter. Not all painters are artists, and not all artists are painters. Oh. But take, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can my darling, can you picture this? La da 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 da. Daniel Black says, outside, stripped to the waist. Oh, wait. What? Hikes. Oh, you men. Anyway. La 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 la. Hey, sweetie, you got a phone call. I do? Well, what do you know? Who could be calling? On line 2?
Yep, line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. You're on the air.
Natasha, my darling, it is I, the Count.
Well, hi, Count. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing so very, very well. But I have to tell you the truth. I am doing all the better for seeing you this morning.
Well, thank you. You're making me blush.
Hey, Count, you want to cut it out?
What? He's just being complimentary.
I mean no offense, Nanaboozhoo. I merely have to remark on your girlfriend's beauty. Yeah, okay. What do you want anyway? I just wanted to call in and say, Boozhoo!
Well, Boozhoo, Count. How you been?
Oh, you know, I've been very, very well. Very well indeed.
How you been keeping? You guys still filming Sesame Street?
Well, you know, they do film Sesame Street, but I haven't been called very lately. I haven't done many spots for them.
How come?
You know, they keep adding new characters and, you know. In fact, did you hear about this one?
What's that?
They're introducing a homeless character on Sesame Street. A little girl who has no home. Isn't that tragic?
Well, sorta, I guess.
Yeah, Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
You mean Oscar?
Exactly! Oscar's been living in a trash can. And now they are introducing a homeless person? Why does nobody care about Oscar?
I know. I feel sorry for Oscar. He's got no clothes. He lives in a trash can. He's homeless. He's crazy. Probably addicted.
Yes. Anyway. So yes, they're adding... And it's become so dreadfully woke.
It's become woke? What do you mean?
It's all, transgendered this, gay pride that. I'm very old. People forget that I'm from another generation.
Yeah, that's right. You're kind of like from the 1700s or something?
I'm not even sure anymore. But, I have old-fashioned family values. People do not expect to count because I love to prey on the blood of the innocent. But otherwise, I just can't get with all this new political correctness. I do not understand it. How can one choose their own gender?
Well, I don't think I'm the one to ask about that.
But that is what they're talking about on Sesame Street. What happened to our beloved show?
I don't know.
I swear, Jim Henson must be rolling around in his grave.
You think he's rolling in his grave?
Yes, I have half a mind to go down and bite him on the neck and reanimate his body.
Would that even work? I don't think you can bite on a dead person and make him come back to life.
No, I guess not. But still, I just don't know.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Jim Henson's legacy has been sort of destroyed since, remember that his son did a movie?
Yes, I did not go see it.
No, I never did either. It was called, Super Fun Time, Murder Mystery, something or other. And it took all the Muppets and just gave them adult R-rated humor.
Yes, it was a disgrace.
I don't know why they do that. But, no.
I tell you. I have half a mind to move to Bemidji and join your show.
You want to join the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast? What do you think, sweetie?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Why not? He could become a regular cast member.
Number one, I get a total, he's constantly hitting on you vibe.
Yeah, so?
Well, I don't like that.
Yeah.
And number two, the dude's undead, and I don't know. It's cool what he does, but I just don't want him on this show.
All right. Sorry, Count. I don't think Nanaboozhoo wants to.
Well, if you ever change your mind, you know how to find me.
How do I find you?
Wherever there is the undead, I will be there.
Where the undead are?
Yes, wherever there's an unsuspecting woman in a nightgown who's, I don't know, the movies.
Okay.
I will be there. Otherwise, hey, let me ask you one more thing, Natasha, before I go.
What?
How do you say, I will see you again in Ojibwe Moen?
Well, we would say, Gigawaba min, minawa.
Then let me say, Natasha, and you too, Nanaboozhoo, Gigawaba min, minawa.
Okay, Count. Gigawaba min, minawa.
Yeah, see you later, Count. Yeah, the Count.
I don't know. I think he's kind of charming.
I know you do. It's another reason I don't like him.
Once I was a fool. So what should I talk about?
Do you want to go outside for a minute and commune with nature?
Yeah, I could do that.
All right, hang on.
I think I'm going to go outside.
All right, I'm locking in on your coordinates, sweetie. All right, coordinates locked in. One to teleport into the beautiful flowery meadow.
Oh, okay.
Teleporting, one to hang on.
Oh, wow.
Hello?
sweetie.
Oh, hi, Natasha. Did you make it there okay?
Yep, I got here in one piece.
All right. Well, you just give me a call when you want me to pick you up, okay?
All right, roger that.
Roger that. Over and out.
Over and out. Bloop. So, yeah, wow, what a beautiful morning. I can't believe it. It's so pretty outside. I've been thinking lately how I don't like summer. I'm like, ah, heck with it. It's always too hot. It's always too something. I guess I'm just a winter person, but it's not nearly this beautiful in the winter. We have moments like when it snows and you go, oh, it's so sweet. And it can be really cozy in the winter, but the birds don't sing like this in the winter. We only get a little bit of this every year. We get like 3 months of it not being winter. So, it was a plane. Should I pray? I say ma tobacco. Get your mana do. Taka we do kawishan. Minaway nungom. Mikwechka iji. Bimarazian. Mikwechka iji kishakak. Mikwechka iji. Way back. Thank you for the weather. Mikwech. Listen dawi egg. Get your man to do. Help me to stay on the red road. Help me to walk the good path. Inspire me like an artist. Make me want to go in the right way. If there is such a thing as living a purpose, if it matters how I live, give me the nabwakawan, give me the wisdom to know what it is. Give me discernment. Let me know the good from the bad, the truth from the lie, and the beautiful from the ugly. Me gwedge for this beautiful morning. Oh, can't believe it. Except for the bugs. Yeah. I don't know. Miigwech kaiji kakina geku kaiji chike anungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech apenge. Oh, I thanked him for the day and the weather and my life, and I asked him to give me help with speaking today. And I thanked him for listening. And I thanked him for my life. No Bigfoots. No big feet. All right. Bloop.
Okay, Boozhoo.
Hi, sweetie. It's Natasha.
Hi, honey. Did you want me to pick you up?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. I'm scanning for your location. I'm locking in on them coordinates. 1 to teleport back home. 1 little cutie pie to teleport back home.
Ah, get out of here.
Hey, welcome back. How is it outside?
Gorgeous. We should go for a walk.
Do you want to go for a walk through the cemetery and then we can go to Country Kitchen?
Yeah, let's go to Country Kitchen. But we should drive because we need to deposit that check.
Oh, that's right.
Thanks, Holly. But yeah, that sounds good. All right, everybody. Well, that's about it for today. Miigwech Kanawamieg. Thank you for watching. Dig, if you will, a picture day on Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Yeah. Anything else you want to add?
No, that's pretty good. Are we cutting it short today?
You know what we are, aren't we? Should I play another song?
Nah, that's fine.
Okay, sorry. It's because we came on late. That's why.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry, we were on Indian time. But, so you don't have anything you want to add?
Nah. I just told him, I said thanks.
Nanaboozhoo says, Miigwech. Miigwech Kanawamieg. Thank you for watching. Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Nanaboozhoo.
Okay, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Oh, sweetie, one more time.
One more time.
Gigawabamin. Minawa.
Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Hello, my fellow I'm writing this song on the fly. I don't know where or why. Time for a chorus change. I didn't think about what I was gonna sing this morning. Now I gotta rhyme with the word this morning. La 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 la. Wait a hey ya. La 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 la. Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo.